Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent with Salix, the podcast where we help you speak English with confidence, clarity, and pure joy. And don't worry, we'll speak slower so that it's easy for you to follow and practice.
That's right. We're here to make learning English fun, easy, and super practical. Get ready to train your brain to think in English naturally.
You are watching another amazing English learning podcast. I'm Salix, your host, and with me today is my incredible co-host, Sarah.
Hey, Salix. Hey, everyone. We are so excited to have you here with us today. If you struggle with thinking in English, this episode is just for you.
That's right. Have you ever found yourself translating every word in your head before speaking? It really slows you down, doesn't it?
Exactly. Many English learners face this problem. They think in their native language first and then try to translate into English.
And by the time you're ready to speak, the moment has passed. But don't worry. Today, we'll show you how to train your brain to think directly in English.
Trust me, once you start thinking in English, everything becomes easier. Speaking, listening, even writing. If you've ever wondered how to stop translating, stay with us.
All right, Sarah, let's start with the big question. Why is thinking in English so important for learners?
Great question, Salix. If you always translate, you'll never speak fluently. Your brain works twice as hard, and sometimes the translation doesn't even make sense.
Absolutely. For example, someone might translate "I am cold" word for word and say "I have cold," which sounds totally unnatural in English.
And that's why thinking in English is so powerful. It trains your brain to form sentences like a native speaker without translating.
Absolutely. Another huge benefit, confidence. When you think in English, words come faster and you respond naturally and smoothly.
Yes, and it also improves your listening skills. Your brain processes English conversations faster, so understanding becomes easier.
That's so true. Even when watching movies or listening to music, you start recognizing words instantly instead of translating everything.
And thinking in English also helps your pronunciation. You begin hearing sounds the way native speakers do, which improves your clarity.
So, to summarize, thinking in English helps you speak faster, boosts confidence, improves listening, and even makes your pronunciation better.
Generally. Now you might ask, how do I train my brain to think in English? Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step.
But first, let's talk about common mistakes that stop learners from thinking in English naturally.
Many learners don't even realize they're making these mistakes. Once you fix them, fluency improves fast.
Mistake number 1, relying too much on translation. If you always translate, your brain never gets used to thinking in English directly.
Exactly. It's like riding a bike with training wheels forever. You need to trust your brain to form sentences naturally.
Mistake number 2, focusing too much on grammar while thinking. Checking every rule in your head slows you down.
That's right. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes sometimes. Speaking naturally is more important than perfection.
100%. Mistake number 3, fear of making mistakes. Some learners are so afraid of being wrong that they stop speaking English altogether.
But mistakes are how we learn. Small leaps move you forward. The more you practice thinking in English, the better you'll get.
Mistake number 4, not surrounding yourself with English. If your life is full of your native language, your brain defaults to that.
That's why immersion is key. Listen to English music, watch English videos, and read in English as much as possible.
Let's recap the biggest mistakes. 1, relying too much on translation. 2, overthinking grammar. 3, fear of mistakes. 4, not enough English exposure.
Generally, if you're doing any of these, don't worry. Up next, we'll share step-by-step strategies to start thinking in English naturally.
Step 1. Name things around you in English. Look around and say the names of objects. Bed, window, lamp, phone.
Step 2. Describe what's happening. Instead of cup, think, I am drinking coffee from my cup.
Step 3. Talk to yourself in English. It might feel strange, but it's one of the best ways to train your brain.
You can do this anywhere, cooking, dressing, or walking outside. Just describe what you're doing in simple English.
Don't worry about mistakes. No one is listening. It's just your brain practicing English naturally.
Step 4. Use an English-to-English dictionary. Avoid translating into your native language.
For example, if you don't know excited, check the English definition, feeling very happy and eager.
This helps your brain connect words in English instead of translating every time.
Step 5. Think in simple sentences first. Don't rush into complex sentences too soon.
Start with small phrases like, I need vegetables. Over time, your sentences will naturally get longer.
Step 6. Have an inner English voice. Turn your thoughts into English dialogue.
For instance, if planning your day, ask yourself, what should I do first? Maybe I'll start with breakfast.
Step 7. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Podcasts, videos, articles, immerse yourself.
Let's recap the 6 steps. Name things in English, talk to yourself in English, use English-to-English dictionaries, think in simple sentences, create an inner English voice, and surround yourself with English.
These steps help you stop translating and start thinking in English naturally. You can start practicing today.
Now, let's talk about daily exercises to make thinking in English a habit. Start and end your day in English thoughts.
In the morning, describe your day. Today is Monday. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I will have lunch with my friend.
And at night, review your day in English. What did I do today? Did I enjoy it? This switches your brain into English mode.
Set a no translation rule for at least 30 minutes a day. Only think in English during that time.
It might be hard at first, but even struggling counts as practice. Consistency is key.
Talk to yourself in English aloud every day. Describe your actions. I'm making tea. It smells good. I will drink it while reading a book.
Use English during simple activities, cooking, walking, exercising. Keep thinking in English instead of letting your mind wander.
Keep a simple English journal. Write thoughts, daily events, or goals in English. Don't worry about grammar. Just express yourself.
To summarize, 1. Start and end your day in English. 2. Set a no translation rule. 3. Talk aloud. 4. Use English in activities. 5. Keep a journal.
If you practice these daily, thinking in English will become automatic over time.
Now, how do you stay motivated and consistent? Challenges are normal, but we can overcome them.
One challenge, naturally thinking in your native language first. Solution, start with small English thoughts, like words or phrases.
Another challenge, feeling stuck because you don't know the right words. Solution, describe unknown words in simple English.
Last challenge, losing motivation because progress feels slow. Solution, track your progress with a journal or recordings.
Be patient. Thinking in English is a skill. It takes time, practice, and consistency.
Don't fear mistakes. Keep practicing, and soon English thinking will feel natural.
Now, listeners, what tip from today will you try first? Let us know in the comments or share your experience with us.
And if you found this episode helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. Keep practicing, keep thinking in English.
Until then, happy learning!